Looking for a fun and easy DIY project that's perfect for kids? Today, I'm sharing how to make a kid friendly perfume oil with just a few simple ingredients, safe for their skin and also fun to create. Welcome and welcome back, Sekhmet's children, to Sekhmet's Magical Spiritual DIYs. Today, we're making something extra special, my own creation of a kid friendly perfume oil. This project is close to my heart because it's a gift for my grandson's birthday, and I've carefully chosen scents that are not only safe for his skin, but also happen to be his absolute favorites. We're working with a fresh burst of orange for a top note, calming lavender for the heart of the scent, and sweet vanilla for a long lasting base. And of course, sweet almond oil makes the perfect skin safe carrier for this special blend. When I create anything, whether it's for everyday use or for a spiritual purpose, there's always a deeper spiritual or magical meaning behind it, infusing my work with intention and protection. Also, I'm using the terms top, middle, and base notes because they describe how a scent develops over time, just like the layers of energy we work with in magic. Each note plays its role in creating a complete and lasting experience. Recipe with spiritual meanings. Orange essential oil is the top note, and it is associated with joy, abundance, and uplifting energy. It promotes positivity, dispels negativity, and enhances protection for your loved ones. A burst of fresh, vibrant energy to shield and uplift. And we need 15 drops. Lavender is the middle note. Lavender brings calm, peace, and harmony. It is often used in protection rituals to guard against negative energy and create a serene, safe space. Lavender is excellent for emotional balance and for surrounding your family with soothing, protective energy. 15 drops is needed here too. Vanilla is our base note. Its spiritual meaning is connected to love, warmth, and comfort. It encourages feelings of safety and goodwill, offering a protective, nurturing energy that lingers throughout the day. Vanilla helps in strengthening bonds and bringing in a sense of security. And we only need 5 drops. Sweet almond oil is gentle and nourishing for the skin. And spiritually, it also represents abundance, luck, and protection. It serves as the perfect base for carrying the blessings of the essential oils into the perfume blend. And so now we are going to fill the bottle up. Cap the bottle tightly and shake well to blend all the oils together. Let the perfume sit for at least 24 hours to allow the scents to meld together. But for the best results, allow it to rest for a few days before use, because that's what I'm doing. I'm making this before his birthday. His birthday is this weekend. Enjoy this fun, kid-friendly perfume oil as a birthday gift or any special occasion. Don't forget to check out the community tab for weekly inspiration, affirmations, and more fun ideas. Getting back to the video. It's done. You can easily make this perfume oil at home, adjusting the scents to fit your little one's preferences. It's a great way to get creative with gifts that are personal and thoughtful. Plus, your child will love the ideas of having their very own custom fragrance. And as always, if you try this recipe, let me know how it turned out for you. See you in the next video. And remember, your creativity is magical. Thank you for watching Sekhmets Magickal Spiritual DIYs.